Hi, Safety National. Haley Short here, one of your facilitators. Wanted to let you know that we have a report due next week when we meet on Wednesday, and it's the Gain Willing Cooperation Report. It will be the same magic formula outline that we are so used to, which is about 90 seconds long. It will be that in the moment, directly to the action, and then followed up with an action and benefit that you would recommend that we take by doing something similar to what you report out on. And this will cover these principles that we have been working on during the past couple of weeks. So, an example of this would look like so. Last week, I got on the phone with a client that I have been trying to get business from for months. We were chatting and chatting and chatting, and he wasn't entirely on board just yet. And I let him do a great deal of the talking. And eventually, by the end of the conversation, we saw eye to eye, and he agreed to do business with us in October. And it was so incredibly exciting. So what I'd recommend you do is let the other person do a great deal of the talking, and you might get the solution that you're looking for. So that's an example of what a Gain Willing Cooperation Report might look like. We are thoroughly looking forward to seeing yours the next time that we meet. See you soon.